Today we're painting tile. This tile. Perhaps you're like me and have this gorgeous blue tile, or its 1950s counterpart, pink tile. That would make a great gender reveal. What are we having? You'll find out as soon as the coffee kicks in. Whatever color your tile is, if it's dated or worn, painting your tile is a much easier and cheaper solution compared to replacing it all together. I first tried and failed at painting my grout. What the heck? Sorry, it's too soon. I'm not quite ready to talk about it yet. But I am ready for redemption, and this tub and tile kit is my saving grace. So in addition to one or more of these kits, you're also gonna need Comet or TSP cleaner, scouring sponges, cloths, gloves, drop cloth, paintbrush, stir stick, screwdriver, painter's tape, roller and tray. You're definitely gonna want some kind of respirator mask. Just make sure it's sexy. I bought all these items at my local Fleet Farm because I like home improvement stores that also sell wine. Step one is to clean. This step is really important so you're starting with a smooth surface. Nothing says painted tile like a fossil of one of your hairs forever imprinted on your wall. Now sanding is optional, but it's very helpful if you have a lot of buildup, or if you tried painting your grout black. You have the cloths to wipe down any excess water or dust. Step two is to prep. I'm removing hardware, applying painter's tape, and laying down drop cloth. Drop cloth is to protect anything you don't want paint on, like yourself. Step three is to paint. But first I need you to ventilate your room and mask up as though you're opening a can of COVID. Hair in or out? I think hair in.
Tile, I am your painter. It's time to paint you like my favorite stormtrooper. It's time to mix.
You know what? I can stop that now. Let's go mix the paint. All you have to do is mix the smaller can into the larger can thoroughly. I hear this stuff is very potent, but I want to know because my nose is living in a scent bubble of plastic. All right, it's time to pour the mixture in the painter's tray and paint away. So you'll see I'm cutting in just like I would on any wall. And right away I'm noticing that this is more liquidy than your typical paint. So definitely don't need to get a lot on that brush. You guys, I'm feeling optimistic about my redemption. And then I'm gonna roll the larger areas. Tile is super shiny and non-porous, so this is specifically made to stick to tile and emulate the shiny look of tile. First coat's done. Woo! All right, I'm giving Darth Vader a break while the tile dries. It's hard work dressing your bathroom like a stormtrooper. All right, I'm back. It's been over an hour and it's time to apply a second coat. As I do the finishing touches, it's becoming apparent that one kit is going to be more than enough. And there you have it, a beautiful stormtrooper-inspired bathroom. And I love it, I'm super happy with it. It is bright, it is fresh, it's not blue, it's very gender neutral. Cheers to redemption.